In coastal towns and megacities alike, informal repair workers stitch communities back together with skill and everyday grit. Through portraits of old tools, crowded workshops, and late-night inventory, Reality Challenges reveals a hidden economy of dignity. Experts explain how this gray market sustains households when formal services falter, while workers negotiate safety and wages. Interviews with families show resilience and risk as repairs shift from convenience to lifeline, restoring routines and hope. The episode invites viewers to rethink value, policy, and sustained support for the hands repairing our shared world.